Hello viewers, and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with your resident chef, Chef Tonde. From our previous episode on FOCCACIA, we had mixed and our dough was proving, meaning was well rested and raising. Now it's time to move to the next stage. What are we going to do? We're going to take our dough, well proven. Here is our dough, well rested, proven. Then we're gonna shake it, put our toppings and everything that goes with it and bake it. Then we take it from there. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we need, we're gonna make a cheese, tomato and onion focaccia. What do? You take your dough. So we're gonna need maybe a little flour if we need. What you do is take your dough. So this is just the stuff that we need to then we roll it up with a rolling pin. If you see it's going like that, just dust with flour. You don't overstretch your dough. When you roll it, then you loosen it and make it relax. So how you do it? You roll it up, it's stretched, then you make sure it's relaxed, just like this. So we're gonna take our tray, our non-stick tray. If you don't have a non-stick, then you need to spray, like what we do every time. Then what we do, we take our pizza, our focaccia dough, then we lay it out in the pan. We spread it out evenly. Must be well spread, nice. Just like that, just like that. What you do, you take your fork and then you just perforate around. If you have a donka, there is a tool called a donka, you run it over. But we don't have a donka, but that doesn't stop us from baking. So you perforate. Since this is a flat bread, perforating it like this with a donka or a fork, it helps our focaccia release all the unnecessary air. Because it's a flat bread, we try by all means to live to its name. So we just perforate, donka it around all over, just like this. So after this, what do? You take with some of the bakers or some people, maybe you have tomato sauce or you have any other sauce that you can have, then you spread it on, or pizza sauce or whatever you use it. Even if it's of pizza, you use it, because the concept is more the same like a pizza. So what do we have? I think we have Which one is that? We're gonna use the barbecue sauce. That's the one that we have. So what you do, you just put just a little, just like this, then you spread it, so that it's not just plain, it's just a pizza, like a pizza base, like a pizza sauce that you just put it evenly, you spread it generously, just like this. What do? You take, because ours is a tomato, cheese and onion, so we put our tomatoes generously just across the board, all over. And your onion, our onion rings, we have our onion rings. Just like this, just do it. Just like this. But I think maybe we can eat just tomato. Just wait to have a nice balance. So we need another cherry tomato. We have cherry tomato. So you can use any other tomato, but I like using cherry tomatoes because they are already the right size. They are cleaned already. So it's just to have a rich cheese and tomato focaccia. Then this is just parsley, so we just need to garnish it over, just for the aromas and to go with it. Just spread it, just sprinkle it over. What else we have here? We have oregano. It's just for the flavors. Because there is no meat, it's more like a vegetable one. Focaccia. So this is a cheese and tomato. And we also have mixed pepper one. If you have peppers, you can make a mixed pepper, which is another type, another flavor, not a type, another flavor also that you can have. Then this is a cheese. So even if when you are working in a bakery, when you are doing your prep for the next day, you can do everything like this, then you leave it in the fridge, in the chiller. Then it can sleep overnight, then in the morning you prove it with your toppings on already, meaning you with your cheese, your everything. We want it to be more cheesy. Then what else can you do is black pepper. You can put black pepper on. You know, cheese, black pepper. It's just one of those things. Just like that. Then you bake it 220 for 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Then it will be ready for consumption. It will be ready. Then the other thing is after putting your toppings and you want to bake it, you just give it a 5-minute rest. Since we were putting a lot of things, so we pressed the dough, but we need a little, just a little volume, so that it is not like dead dough. It's not like a pizza. So if we do like this, then we give it a rest, just a 5-minute rest, just to give the dough to come to itself. Then it will give a small lift, just a small lift that we need. Since we pressed it, we were working on it, just to rest. Then after that,